Isa sa mabilis na umuusbong na sports ngayon na patok sa loob at labas ng bansa ay ang pickleball. Maliban sa fun at madaling matutunan, kilala ang pickleball sa mga benepisyong dulot nito sa katawan tulad ng pagpapalakas ng cardiovascular health, pagpapabuti ng balanse at koordinasyon at ang pagbawas ng stress. Dito sa Camarines Sur, matatagpuan sa loob mismo ng Capitol Complex sa Barangay Cadlan Pili ang isang moderno, air-conditioned pickleball court na nagsisilbing bagong puntahan ng mga mahilig sa laro, ang CamSur Pickleball Club. Dinadayo na ang pasilidad ng mga lokal at foreign pickleball enthusiast. Patunay rito ang karanasan ng mga dayuhang bisita na sina Guy at Connie, magkaibigang mula sa Europa na agad na naingganyong subukan ng pickleball sa probinsya.
We actually like it. First time we played, we're not sure about the rules. We looked up the rules afterwards, and then we figured out how to do it. And it's super fast. It's nice. You can play it with 2, you can play it with 4, and then it's also cool that here it's indoor. You have air conditioning. You don't sweat that much. It's quite relaxing. For me, the best part because it takes some running. This sport, so you get hot kind of quick. So it's perfect to have air condition. It's fresh, and you have free drinks. Free water. So yeah, you always stay fit.
4 na araw nang nananatili sa Camarines Sur ang dalawa at 4 na beses na rin sila nakapaglaro sa pickleball court. Bagamat wakeboarding ang sadya nila sa CamSur Water Sports Complex, hindi na nila pinalampas ang pagkakataong subukan ng pickleball nang malaman nilang available din ito sa Sports and Adventure Capital of the Philippines.
It has everything what you need, so everybody that wants to play pickleball, I think they're welcome here. Everybody's friendly. You have a good space, it's air conditioning. Even after the pickleball, you can still go outside and do something else because there's a lot of stuff to do anyway around here. So yeah, I think it's perfect for everybody. It's my 4th time playing. We came here for wakeboarding actually, but then we found out about this pickleball place. And yeah, we were 4 of us coming here. No one has played before, but we all picked up the game pretty quick and had a good time.
Ngayong paparating na ang Valentine's Day, patok rin na option ng pickleball para sa mga magkakaibigan, mag-partner at pamilya na naghahanap ng isang fun and healthy na aktibidad. Malayo sa karaniwang date ngunit malaki ang benepisyo sa kalusugan. Bukas ang CamSur Pickleball Club para sa mga nagnanais makaranas ng isang bagong sports adventure.
I think I'm 100% sure that could be a Valentine's Day because if you maybe meet somebody somewhere and you ask her like, hey, you want to do something, like usually you go for a coffee or something. Why not combine it with a sport? And pickleball is very beginner friendly, I think. It's not super intense from the start. So I think it's nice. That's a good thing. You can choose an activity and then have a coffee after. I think it's a good idea for a date. Yes, hit me up.
Hello, it's Connie and Guy. We're from Europe. Welcome to Pickleball Club CamSur. Let's play!
Richin Boy, CSN.